Hello and welcome. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today I'm going to show you the Eufy security camera. It's a dual camera for double security. There are no subscription fees to this camera, and the quality is amazing. It's triggered by motion, so anyone coming to your door is going to be captured on the camera. And because it has a second camera, you get to see exactly the package that came to your door. If you press on the app, it'll even tell you when that package was delivered. It even has a reminder feature in the app to remind you to pick up your package in case you forget to go get it at the front door. That feature's brilliant. As much as I like the security, I've been able to tell when my packages arrive to my door. But beyond packages, I want to know who's coming to my door. I live on a really busy street and I have a very large driveway. And many times people will just come and park in my driveway. There's a really pretty hedge in front of my door that's beautiful, but people could hide behind that hedge and could be lurking to cause trouble. I'm really concerned about crime, especially living on my busy street. Imagine, if you will, the alleged perpetrator lurking into the bushes and casing your house, trying to see what opportunities he might find if he were to break in. Well, I'd want to see all that. So with the Eufy security doorbell, that camera is going to pick up the lurking. It will alert you when there's motion, and so you can check out what's going on. And then you can even press the live feature. And I like telling him to go away.
What are you doing?
Ah! Oh!
But let's say I wasn't there to press the live and see it all go down. There's even a feature with the Eufy security doorbell that if someone lurks too long, it automatically will tell them you need to leave.
Excuse me, can I help you? Please leave it at the door. We will be right there.
And you can record a man's voice. Because I'm a gal living alone, I think that was helpful.
You are on camera and you are being recorded.
The Eufy security doorbell has feature after feature. It even has face recognition so that if someone in your household is coming home, you don't need to be alerted to that. Or if you're coming in yourself. The Eufy security doorbell even has a PIR smart system that's going to detect for body heat on people. And the radar motion detection scans for movement. So if my phone's by me and I'm in another room of the house, I'm going to know when someone's at my door and they approach. And sometimes they might be your friends coming over to visit. And with the two-way talk, I was able to talk to my friend. Oh, Jen, hi. Oh, you're early.
Hey, happy birthday. You dropped your present on.
Oh, wait a second. I'm going to come say hi to you. Stay there. I'm going to open the door, okay? Oh, wow. How nice of you. Oh, hold on a second. I've got my my alert on. I've got this great new camera that's photographing you. It's by Eufy.
Cool. I'm so glad
so I can see you come.
Oh, great. Well, cool. Now I can deliver it in person.
Good. Come on in. I'm making lunch. Come join me.
Wonderful.
You can add as many security doorbells as you like with the home base that it comes with, no matter how many doorbells you have from Eufy. Or if you buy their security cameras, they all communicate with the home base and save all that footage for you for free. I have a guest house and I installed a security camera at that door too. Besides any package deliveries, I can also see if the helpers are there to clean, what time they arrive, and know when they leave. That's really helpful for me to manage my guest house. And both of those cameras are on my same dwelling with my same home base going to my same alert on my same cell phone. That's amazing. It is all organized and easy for me to monitor both of those doors at the same time. It has a 2K high definition surveillance. And that means that you get the smallest of the details so you can identify the people. And because it has a high dynamic range, people coming to the door that are backlit by the sun can be seen in great color and clarity. And the Eufy security doorbell also comes with LED lights, so it lights up visitors at night. At my house, I also have security lights that go on with motion, but I wouldn't have needed those had I had the Eufy security doorbell first. The LED lights are really bright and do a great job of defining who's walking up to your door, even at night. And the battery is a super battery. One charge will last 6 months. That's really amazing. My other security doorbell didn't. And if you wanted to hardwire it, you could. It has ability to do so. When you order the Eufy security doorbell, it comes right to your door. I got the system with the home base and the security camera, and I also got a second doorbell because of my guest house door. I opened up the boxes and I put everything out on my counter. So here you see the home base, the dual security camera. It has the main camera right in the front, and then the bottom camera is on the bottom of it, and that's the one that's going to be directed down at your package. And it comes with a plate for mounting and screws for mounting. It also comes with the connectors. This is the front of the housing unit, and this is the back of it. And you just connect the little round, and you connect the cord to the back of the housing unit like this, and then you plug it right into the wall. And the plug is 110 volt that fits normal household outlets. And the charger is a C port, and the other side is a USB that fits into the power source. It's going to take about 3 hours to charge the battery. I'm putting my Eufy Security dual camera doorbell right at my doorway. It comes with everything you need. So I have my mounting bracket and I have my screws. The whole kit is right here. And the kit came with 2 screws, a detaching tool, the mounting bracket, and of course, the doorbell camera. Today I'm putting into wood, but you might need to put yours into cement or drywall. The kit comes with all the screws for any of those surfaces. It really helps to like pre-drill or push in and make little holes that are going to line up with your mounting bracket. So it's just easier. So put your mounting bracket on the hole you pre-started, and with a Phillips head screwdriver, I am just twisting that in. It's so easy because I pre-started it until it's tight. And it is. And so you want to make sure your doorbell isn't crooked. So you got to make sure that hole is centered. I think I've done the math. It looks aligned to me. In goes that screw. And do the twist. Done, chum. I got 2 doorbells with my system because my house has 2 entry doors. This one I labeled front door, and I put it right here. So when I recharge it, I'm going to know where to put it back. The battery life is a full 6 months. It just snaps right in. It comes with a detaching tool, so when you need to recharge your battery, you put it in the top and you press, and out it comes. But I want it in now. I want to know who's at the door. That was easy peasy. That took me 5 minutes. Anybody home? The app is really easy to install. You just scan the code right in. So you just download the app and you add your devices, and step by step, it'll walk you right through. I got to name my front doorbell and name my guest house. It is so set up, I really didn't do much modification. I just used it the way it came out of the box, which was really nice for me. It's so simple to set up. And as soon as it was set up, it automatically just started capturing the video of people coming to my door. All the events started showing up. I just love that. And when you get alerted to an event, you can go and look at your events and you can see that it's picked up a face and put the face right in the alert. So the faces you recognize, you don't have to bother looking at those. You can just go to the other ones you don't, which is really wonderful because I like to know what goes on at my house when I'm not here. That's another layer of security and ease of me using the Eufy Security app. And for my household members, I will just put the face recognition right in there so I don't get notified all the time they come and go. It's just easy and useful and quick and saves my time. And I also want to mention there is different ways to view those events. You can do the split view, and that's simple. That's the up and down way of looking at it, which I love. Or you could do an overlap view. Put one of the cameras over the other. That's very helpful too. So whatever you prefer. Some other doorbells on the market don't tell you quick enough there's someone at your door. It just seems to take a long time before you get your notification and you press on it, and then you can actually see what's going on. The Eufy Security Doorbell does it really fast. You're alerted and you can press to see what's going on, and the footage comes up right away. There is no lag time, which was so impressive about Eufy. And it's free. I am no longer paying hundreds of dollars a year for my security doorbells. It is free because of the home base. This is where it's stored. No cloud storage. There is no hidden fees. Click the link below to get your Eufy Security Doorbell. And if you have an extra door, you might want to get 2. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a recipe to be much more secure in your own home. Bye. If you like this video, I have some more here for you to watch. Even some really great homemade recipes right over there.